Hello guys, today in this video I will feature all types of kisses from different countries. I hope you would like this video. Make a comment below about which types of kisses you love. A kiss is the most intimate form of love that can exist in all eternity. The touch of your partner's lips over yours can send waves of love and affection within you. For watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Check out our more interesting videos already made only for you.